Mabithaa a uthuthuria no marathie na mbere na gwethana na kuria muiritu wa miaka 23 angikorwo ari thutha wake kunyitwo migwate na family yake gukorwo igitio kimanjika kia muigana wa ciringi milioni 5. Hafsa Mohamed ni muhuri biashara ya wendia wa iratu mwena wa Kamukunji na makoretwo magikara na family yake mwena wa Isiri na muthi wa keri ga kiumia giki ahingurire wira o ta mutugo no thutha wa kuhinga mathaa 10 cia hwaini ndaigana gukinya mucii. Kwirikanite Hafsa ni agereire mwena wa Kayole Junction na mwena uyu nikuo kurekuirwo gukorwo anyitiirwo migwate amu thimu yake no kuo yahoreire mathaa 4 cia utuku. Video ino ironania Hafsa akinyamarika na kigiriko ohetwo moko na maguru guku agikaira family yake imuhonokie akiuga kiria amunyiti itemi marenda no besha niguo mamurekererie. Family yake nirikitie kwandikithia ndumiriri ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Kayole mari na mwihoko mwana wao ni kuhonokio ari muoyo. Maya magithiaga na mbere nake mutaramu wa maundu ma ugitiri Mwendwa Bijiwe ni arethanwo nake kuria angikorwo ari kuona kuma muthi wa Jumamothi ya kiumia kihituku ndakoretwo akionekana na muthi ucio agirwo akoretwo ari thafari ya guthie Meru.
Last time we communicated with family, he called the mom and requested to be made mukimo, and he also informed her that he will get home a bit late. That is a Saturday around 7:30 p.m. And then he called later around 8 and he said he was on his way. And that was the last time anyone heard from Mwenda. No one wants to own up that is handling the case. Now what they are doing is when we talked to the deputy DCI, he was like, why was the case brought here if it is at Kasarani? And then when we talked to the Kasarani, the IO at Kasarani, he said the case is supposed to be at Central Police Station, so it's we don't know where.
Family yake ni andikithitie ndumiriri ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Central guku mucii wa Nairobi na kuringana nao thimu yake yahorire utuku wa Jumamothi na nginyagia ngari yake ndikoretwo ikionekana na riu marekuira gukorwo anyititwo migwate.
He had hired 2 cars and one of the cars that he had hired was found at Tigoni. And it's currently at Tigoni police station. It was found abandoned, but we are not sure if it's the same car he was driving or he was driving the other car because he had hired 2 cars.
Cieko cia andu kunyitwo migwate ikoretwo ikihanika mahinda kwa mahinda riu kibarua gigitigirwo honge cia ugitiri gutigirira ni matacukiria makinya aria makoretwo makinyitana migwate na ninge kuhonokia aria manyititwo migwate. Ngiribotera Kameme TV kuma kaunti-ini ya Nairobi, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.